Hey, Chloe, you want to do letters? What letter is this? No! What letter? What letter is this one? No! Okay, we'll try later. Okay. What letter? Q. What letter is this? What letter? B. What letter is this? W. What's this one? R. What's this letter? P. What's this letter? A. What letter? Y. What letter? Okay, what letter is this? That's Q. What letter does Mommy have? L. What letter is this? Okay, what letter is this? What letter is this? And this letter? What letter is this? G. What letter is this? T. What letter is this? D. What letter is this? Z. What letter is this? U. What letter is this? V. What letter is this? E. What letter is this? 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 X. And what letter is this? Yay! All right, Chloe. What number is this? 2. What number is this? What number is this? What number is this? What number is this? What number? That is a Q. Do you want to try numbers? What number? Do you need more popcorn? Okay. What number, Chloe? What number is this? 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 9. What number is this?